Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty on the Go with Sherese. So today I have something very different for you. I'm going to show you because it's different from me. I've never worn anything like this before in my life. So she's different. We're going to bring something new to the table. So hopefully you'll like it. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification button so that way you can get more of these amazing videos. So stay tuned. Beauty on the Go with Sherese. Let's go. This unit is a curly afro. It's in color 1B. It has two parts to it. It has clips on the inside of the top of the unit, and it has clips at the bottom of the unit. Look how beautiful she is. I know it's different, but just wait. Watch me work. I'm just going to part my hair to the side, and I'm going to braid from the front of my hair to the middle of my head. So that way I can have a more detailed look when I put the unit on. Watch me work. I'm going to use these bobby pins, and I'm just going to hold down sections of my hair just to secure the unit. I'm going to use an edge brush and some edge boosters so I can swoop my edges. Yeah, make sure you get those back edges as well. Now I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to pick it out as much as I can. You just go through and pick it out until it gets a little bigger than what it is to your liking. I got some gold clips to put on my hair, so I'm just going to stick them on each braid.